Scott here from GuitarChimp.com. Today I'm going to be playing a pedal that makes even a failure sound good. The Heliotropic from Fuzzrocious. The Heliotropic is a super heavy pedal. I took it to our jam space last night and played on it for a while just to get the roundabouts of what it's doing, and it is incredible. Usually I'm kind of disappointed by bass fuzz pedals, but every now and then something pops up that's amazing, and this guy is one of them. On this pedal you've just got a pre-gain, sustain, volume, and tone. Ryan, volume over here, come on, man. It's powered by a 9-volt right here, in and out, pretty simple. This hand-built fuzz was designed to copycat Failure's classic bass tone. It's based on a modded out Big Muff circuit board with the added pre on here. Like I said, this thing is super heavy, and I mean, with this tone sweep, you can get the highest of highs and the lowest of lows, so almost where it's inaudible. Come on down to GuitarChimp.com. You can crab walk your way through our selection of pedals, guitars, amps. Like us on Facebook, subscribe to our channel on YouTube, thumbs up all of our pictures on Instagram, and send us an email and tell me how much you like all the stuff that we do, because we work really hard for you guys. Take care.